Good morning, y'all. So today is Tuesday the 4th. Yeah, Tuesday, June 4th. My appointment for my car, as y'all saw yesterday, is at 11. It's 10:46 right now. Let's pray we make it. Let's pray we make it. But today is actually going to be a productive day. I'm off today as well. And then also I have class at 11. Classes started yesterday. My teacher is in Huntsville right now, so she's really not able to talk on the blue board that we're using for class right now for summer classes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But I'm going to drive and listen to some music really fast while I get there. Let's just pray I make it on. Oh, and I didn't even take all my lashes out last night. Like, I was over it last night. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get to Walmart. Alright, so I made it to Walmart like at 10:50 something, but now I'm on class. I got the classwork. They say, good morning, I am serving the assignment in Huntsville. Type your name and chat. Your attendance can be recorded. Your assignment has been added to the course shell. It is due no later than Friday, June 7th, 2024. If you have any questions, I see Shirley. Do you have any questions for assignment? I don't like how this shows the chat like right here. Like what? If you don't have any questions, I'm gonna ask her, do she want me to stay on here? This is crazy. We're texting in the chat because she's at Huntsville. She said you don't need to, so see you tomorrow. Okie dokie then. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. And now we have to. Good, how you doing? Now we have to. She said thanks. So I know what this means. Okay. I'm about to look at my schoolwork, and then. How am I doing that? I'm about to look at my schoolwork and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. Alright, y'all, so My oil change is finished, and now he's checking the air filters or whatever. I just finished up at Walmart. I paid $57.82 for oil change. That's not bad at all. Cause if I would have went to AutoZone, I would have been paying hundreds of bucks. But I finally got my oil changed, and he said he didn't charge me for something. But we're grateful for him because we're so grateful. Y'all, I need to go clean my car so bad. I got the people's stuff that wasn't mine, but I need to go vacuum my car. Like, it's bad. Okay, so y'all, I'm a pink girly. Like, I'm so pink. It don't make no sense, but I couldn't find any yellow, but I found pink, and I found Barbie. Whoa. And I found Barbie, so I'm just gonna scratch out yellow and just do pink, my go-to. Yeah, because there's no way. These pillows are 50 bucks. 50. But we're gonna do it. All right, so I just left out of Homegoods, and I'm not going back. The line was so long, and I just spent over 100 bucks. Excuse me? Yeah, it's not even worth it. Homegoods is not worth it, man. But I got some big old pillows for my bed. We're excited. I'm just gonna say, yeah, it's time for me to go home. Like, it is so time for me to go home. Y'all, I'm done spending money. I'm so done. If my phone would go down, I'm done. Y'all can have this money spending trend y'all got going on. TikTok shop, I'm deleting TikTok. I'm deleting Amazon. Sorry, y'all. I don't feel like putting y'all on the stand. So we're gonna be ghetto. Okay? Okay? Y'all should be alright. But anyways, TikTok shop, Sheen, Fashion Nova, all of y'all are getting deleted off my phone. My lips are ashy. All of y'all are getting deleted off my phone. There's no way. Let me go so I can go home. I'm not even finna eat out today. I'm so embarrassed about how much money I just spent in there on 2 items. 2 items. A Barbie cover and some big pillows. $100. Shelly, you can do better with yourself. It's okay, but they're cute. It was worth it. It's worth it. I could not help myself. I really could not help myself. My lips are ashy. Hold on, let me put some lip gloss on. Alright, so now, okay, I got on some lip gloss now, so I don't look dry. My lips don't look dry. But it's lunchtime and I'm hungry. Oh, it's lunchtime and I'm hungry. I wanted Chick-fil-A, but Chick-fil-A line was literally in the road. And I'm like, see, I'm not doing it today. I didn't wait in that Homegoods line for a good 15 minutes. I'm not doing it for no food. So, we're coming to Taco Bell. Tacos. And it's Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. I'm so weak. It's Taco Tuesday, y'all. I think I just want a quesadilla. I want a quesadilla. They got the nacho fries back. I don't think I want that. But I do want a Baja Blast Freeze, I think. Or strawberry. We're gonna see. Hold on. It's the fact that I just contradict myself so bad. Like, what? I literally just said I wasn't eating out today, but then I wanted Chick-fil-A. But then Chick-fil-A line was way too long. I already stayed in in Homegoods line for dog near 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And then, of course, it's 12:32, so everybody's on lunch break. But that line was just too crazy for me to even think about getting in. I don't even care if I did a mobile order or not. I was not sitting there. So I went to Taco Bell, and I got me a freezy. It's Tuesday, and I'm treating myself. Look at, see, everything. Tuesday is the best day ever. Tuesday, I celebrate. Every Tuesday, I celebrate. So this is my 3rd week. Yes, this is my 3rd week. Baby, I'm going strong. Harder than I ever did before. But, I'm funny. But, only the real understand. Only the real will understand what these 3 weeks mean to me. These 3 weeks. But yeah, I'm probably going to get another, get some ice cream later on. No, I'm not. We're not spending no more money. I'm done. Never mind, I just lied again. We're done. Alright, but I'm going to talk to y'all when I get home and eat my food, and then we're going to decorate my room. Alright, y'all, so I just got back. Well, I just got in the house, and I'm about to eat my Taco Bell. I got a chicken quesadilla with nacho fries. I know, right? They don't even go together, but that's what I wanted. And I'm about to watch The Residence. Yesterday I fell asleep on it. So today I really gotta pay attention. And yeah. So I'm about to eat my food and watch this. And I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm about to redecorate my room. I just wanna say, this is good. Man, I don't know if I'm just hungry or Taco Bell hitting today. Like, oh God. This looks like a blooming fried onion. I can't laugh. Wait, what's the I got G's. You ever had a bit hit her knees? Guess what? I'm touching that thing. I'm saying, hey, yo, bye. So now shake it to a bad beat. I don't know the song. I just be dancing. Bow, bow. I'm about to change my room around. That's what I'm about to do. We're gonna see if it get done. We're gonna see if I go through with it, okay? Okay, bye. All right, y'all. So, I'm doing it. I moved my mirror. My vanity set is now over there. Don't mind my snacks. I love snacks, but I didn't move this because this staying here. This is staying here, but of course I need to clean that off. I just moved all that stuff. But vanity's over there now. Mirror's right here, like angling my closet. And then more snacks. Don't mind my snacks. I put my bed by my window because I wanted it by my window. Like, I just did. And my bed. And then I do have this little seating thing right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But what's tripping me out is I don't know if I want this to like stand up or if I want it to like be like turn, you know? Because I have no space over there. Like, I mean, I don't have no space, but I have space, but I don't know what else I could put over there. And I'm not trying to have my room, ooh, I'm not trying to have my room, like, junky. You get what I'm saying? So, that is where I'm at right now. I don't know. Alright guys, so I finished rearranging my room and I'm about to show you guys without me talking or anything like that. So here we go.